So, do you feel hungry at 4 o'clock in the evening and don't know what to eat? Start including this simple snack and you will feel great. This is a homemade hummus. It's very simple. Even if you don't have tahini at home or the days when you're really busy and don't have time to make something elaborate, you can just cook this up and keep it in your refrigerator. I made this simple hummus which is very delicious and nutritious. It has natural flavors and the added goodness of yogurt or dahi to make it nice and creamy as well as easily digestible. Simply blend all the ingredients given in the caption or in the description box together until smooth and creamy. Adjust the seasonings according to your taste preference. You can use this hummus in various ways like spread it inside a roti or a tortilla to make a wrap or make a sandwich with it, a hummus sandwich. And instead of coriander and mint, you can also add basil to make it an excellent pasta sauce and add a refreshing twist. You can use it as a snack by dipping some fresh carrot sticks or cucumber sticks into this delightful hummus. It is packed with essential nutrients like sesame seeds, which is a rich source of calcium. The chickpeas are a good source of plant protein, fiber, iron, and folate. The hummus keeps you feeling full for a longer time